Nathan! Nathan!
Gotta be quick, Daddy.
I'm actually doing video and seeing if it works, what it does.
Nathan! I'm so jealous of her. She mentioned his birthday.
Your grandmother's dog. See, this is America's Funniest Home Videos moment waiting to happen right here. Nathan! Go with him. Happy birthday, dear Nathan. Happy birthday to you. Yay! All right, you ready to eat the birthday cake?
Alright, you ready? Oh, yeah, I'm ready. Go for it.
It's all yours, bud.
This might stand up beside it. You gonna eat it or just gonna play with it? Eat it!
Yay!
Is that good?
Forget what's in your hand, buddy. Just put your face.
All done? That's yours, Mama. That's mine.
Oh, that's yours. That's yours.
All done.
Oh, we're not all done. He hadn't finished eating it yet.
Okay. You want that part? What do you think about that, Santa?
I did Bonnie and Johnny when they were born with a chocolate.
Man, didn't it? Oh, man, didn't it? You're so sweet. Oh, good job.
All right, baby. I was wanting him to clap with his messed up hand. There you go. We're going.
Roll the paper? No. Here.
You're turning right.
No, I see it. That big old huge smile.
Ready to rock.
Try to get it to light. Go for a ride, buddy.
Hold on. Gotta hold on the handlebars. Reverse.
Let's race. Ready, set, go.
really cute.
It's sunny today.
Wipe his mouth for me, won't you? Thank you.
Okay, hold on to the handlebars. You want to push the button? Oh, just hold on and turn it.
Alright, see where they are on his own. That makes him want to look at the buttons. I'm done, Mama. See what his foot.
There you go.
I'm done, Mama.
You done?
The lion?
You all done?
You don't see the turtles down there?
Got a mirror in the bucket on your head.
Nathan.
Uh-oh.
Nathan.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Yeah. Yeah. You got a bucket on your head.
Crap.
Did you find any money?
Nathan, what are you doing?
It's dirty. Don't put it in your mouth. Fire engine. Is that your fire engine?
You took them off. Why'd you take them off? Can you put them back on and say what they say? What's the elephant say, Nathan? What's the lion say? Where's the lion? Can you show Daddy the lion? Is that the lion? What does it say? Yes, it does. It says roar. There you go. Get the other foot out. Did you fall down? Say, I fall down. Bring it over here to Daddy. Alright, slide to me. Slide to me. It's not going any further. It's at me. I'm here. I'm here. That's it. Alright, slide down. No, it's stuck on me. It's not going any further. Look, it's touching me. It's not going any further. Slide, 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 slide.
Dad!
Whoa! Whoa! What's Mama got? What's Mama got? You stink, buddy. Do. Yeah, you have do. Say slide. No, slide. Coconut. Why are you saying coconut? That's your head. Where are your eyes? That's your ears.
Hold on.
Where are your eyes? That's your head, coconut.
Hold on to the slide.
Mama doesn't know that you're about. You did it. Come on. Whoa! Yeah, come do it again. Fall down. Dada. Like, whoa, I didn't know what that was. You have the big blue ball. You say toga? Toga. Toga. Oh, look at that snot. Whoops. Try again. I don't know if you're going to be able to get up because it's under your feet. Yeah. Spin around.
You got Daddy's shirt on?
Whoa. Can you pull it out from under his feet, maybe? Guess he's just going to step back on it again, isn't he? Oh, watch your head, bub. He just looks so cute. Come this way, little man. Come here. Tip.
Give Daddy a kiss.
Come here. Give Daddy a hug, Bubby. He's gone. Come here. Hey.
Hello. There's Nathan. Oh, big kiss.
Can you give Daddy a hug? Come give me a hug. Can you turn around? Can you spin around in your shirt? Alright, bye-bye.
Laid it up.
Whoa! Whoa!
Right. You want Mama to do your spoon?
Pick the bowl back up, dude. That was awesome.
Get it.
I am.
Okay.
He's actually getting to eat now.
Good. Good. Spaghetti-o. blue,
It's red.
red, yellow, blue, orange,
Red. Green.
green, red, yellow, blue, orange. Can you play the guitar?
Dagger, 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 dagger. Nathan. Nathan. Can you say shh? Can you say shh? Shh. There you go. Do it again. Shh. Pretty big step. That's a pretty big step. Make the step back down. Boom. Alright, good. Whoa! Whoa. Hey, go this way, dude. Before we shave. There's the water. There's the water. What? Alright, Mom. I gotta get the stuff on my pocket. It buried both of our feet. Whoa. Whoa.
Well, we were going to walk it.
Alright, can you put something in your pocket? There you go. Sorry, I had a chill. Nathan. Nathan. Nathan, look up at Daddy. Left. Left goes back towards, this is a path continuing. It's the other end of the cave. The way the path goes. Where are you going, buddy? What are we going into?
Going into cave? We're not going to talk about it. Slow. Go slow.
You can kind of see the path better this way.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you. There's a bigger opening at the other end.
Under the tunnel.
Yeah, we're in the cave.
It's a playground.
No playground, just in the cave.
Oh, the onion is over out there. The onion is over.
Where are we?
Onion is over, Daddy.
Good job.
Grr. Can you say War Eagle? War Eagle. You say go Tigers? I told you. Nathan, say yay! See if you get him to clap.
With 13 minutes and 59 seconds remaining in the second quarter. The score, Auburn 21, Tennessee Tech 3.
Alright, what's this? What is this? Do it, come on, what is this? Woo, 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 woo! Can you do that? What is this? Motorcycle? How's the motorcycle go?
Go.
Go? How's it go? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Does it go like that? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Can you do that? What is this? Woo, 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 woo. Of course, because Nathan. Nathan. Alright, what are we looking at? Oh, lion goes raw. What's a monkey do? What is that? Is that a duck? Duck. What's the elephant say? What is that? Penguin. Goat. Alright, let's go back up here. What does the kitten say? Wow. What does the dog say? Ooh, ooh. Let's see. Can we go back up here? What's that? What is this? You want to look at the animals, huh? Everybody wants to hear you talk, buddy. What is that? Grrr. What is that? Grrr. What is that? Alright, what is that? Is that a choo-choo? Can you say choo-choo? Alright, look what you want. Hoo, hoo. Yeah. Can you say tiger? Go Tigers. Can you say tiger? Can you say penguin? Penguin. Can you say, what is that? Duck. What is this? No, penguin is this. This is a penguin. That's a bird. Can we look at these animals? What kind of bird? What is that? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Ready? What is this? Can you say it? Can you say what this is? Nathan. Nathan, what is this? What? What are you looking at? What shape is this? What is this? Ball. Good job. Yeah, that's a circle. What shape is this? Is that a triangle? Can you say triangle? Triangle. Yeah, what color is this? What color is this? Yeah, triangle. Is it yellow? Can you say yellow? Hello. What color is this? Can you point to something yellow? Yeah, that's yellow. Yeah, that's red. Triangle. Where's something blue? Where's something blue? You got it. Yeah, touch it. You were right. Touch something blue. Blue right there. That's blue. That's green. Green, yeah. Where's the ball? Ball. Yeah, good job. Purple. Where's something purple? That's the sky, yeah. Cloud. Where's the tractor? Where's the truck? Daddy, I don't want that book. Pizza. Alright, let's do it again. Yeah!
Little giant.
Oh!
It's hard to get you all in.
How you throw it? Good throw. Go up. I'll get you. Do it. Oh. Are you all done?
Sing.
Whoa. Shake for you. 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 Uh-oh, let's get back in the middle. Here comes Daddy.
Hey, Dad, I gotta ride my motorcycle.
Oh, you are, Ro? Pedal.
Hey, stop.
Turn the steering wheel towards Mama. Turn the steering towards Mama. There you go. Now pedal. There you go. Pedal.
Ah!
There you go. Good asking for help. That's a good job.
Oh, you're pedaling. Yes, you are.
I see a wing.
Yeah.
Are you riding your motorcycle? Uh-oh. Push hard. There you go. Good job.
The motorcycle. Oh, look out. The motorcycle.
Turn towards Mama. Now pedal. Are you stuck?
Oh, you fell on the rock.
No.
It's okay.
Are you all done? You want to play some more? Or are you all done?
Say it again.
It's me, Mario!
Alright, can you jump like Mario does? What does he do with his hat?
Nothing with his hat.
Does he take his hat off and smooth his hair?
That's what he does it.
What happens when he wins? What does he do?
Sometimes I lose.
What does he do when he loses?
Because Bad Mario gets my sack.
Yeah, but what does he do when he loses? Remember at golf, what does he do?
He hits the ball and bring it in the flag. Oh.
Say it's me.
It's me.
Say it's me, Mario again.
It's me,